My name is Jeffrey Kwee. I'm a managing partner at the Orange Force. We create custom software solutions for customers in manufacturing, healthcare, and retail and logistics. We specialize in the Mendix low-code platform in combination with industrial edge devices from Siemens. A Siemens Industrial Edge device is like a mini-PC that runs directly adjacent to your machine. So you can get real-time data from your machine, like velocity, production speed, temperature, air pressure. So you can actually turn these data points into useful insights. The Mendix application, for instance, runs in the cloud, so there is a bit of a latency between this. And if you have an industrial edge device like Siemens Industrial Edge PCs, it runs directly on your machine. So you can get the data in, turn these insights into actions. So for instance, you can run an AI model on your industrial edge device. So you have real-time decision-making, steering your production, productivity output. So you can get the data out of your machines real-time by industrial protocols like OPC UA, Profinet and Modbus. So you can ingest the data into your Mendix application with almost zero latency. And you don't need any internet connection. Siemens is industrial powerhouse of #1 in factory automation. Many of our manufacturing customers, they are looking for a way to digitize their factories. We are able to support because we have both the innovative power of Mendix and artificial intelligence together with the physical machines and assets that they have. We can create smart applications that take in the data from their machines for digital twins, or solutions that help predict maintenance, or OEE dashboards, so a customer can get real-time insight in how their machines, their entire factory line, or even multiple factories together are performing. We have a very human-centered approach, even though we're experts in the digital and physical worlds, connecting OT and IT. We combine the IT side of things, smart applications, offline mobile applications. These capabilities are brought to the digital factory by the Mendix platform. And from the OT side, Siemens has been a powerhouse in industrial automation. We always focus on the end users of our solutions and their specific needs. And then we take a look at the technology that is suited to support this. But we also really know the limitations and the possibilities of both the IT and OT technologies that we use. So we will never just push a technology stack because we think it's nice. It always has to add value for the customers. We always try to be at the forefront of innovation. With our combined expertise of both the Mendix and the Siemens worlds and their technologies, we try to find solutions together with the customer that takes into account their specific business goals, the existing OT and IT landscape. The Orange Force is a trusted partner for digital transformation and innovation. We combine the best of all worlds, physical, digital, IT and OT, and we bring them together. And we bring the best people, the best technology and a customer-centric approach to supercharge your company, to empower your workforce and to help you create digital products and services in no time.